Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Reason we are on the back of my GX, as you can see by the title, we are installing the back molle panels on these back windows. So let me get you in this direction. These are molle panels, and they come from a company called Rago Fabrication. Later on in the video, if everything goes smooth, I'm gonna explain why I went with Arago instead of Victory 4x4, which you guys know I have a few products from, or some other companies. Before I continue, I gotta quickly just let you guys know there's gonna be a small gap between this video and the next one because I am in the process of moving. Sold the house, moving to a different house, so yeah, don't let the kind of gap spook you. Shouldn't be a long gap, probably like around November 10th. Depends how the move goes. Maybe I push up to November 15th, but that's like the latest. The mod that we're gonna do then already arrived, so basically all I gotta do, finish packing, finish moving, finish settling in, and then the new video gonna pop. So stay with me for this project. This is the hardware that comes with. We got some kind of brackets inside of this package, which was actually here. We got can you see some kind of brackets here, 4 brackets there, and some looks like spacers. Small bag with the nut screws, bolts, washers, whatnot, and this guy I have no idea. Disappointing thing a little bit, it did not come with any install instructions whatsoever. So I went to a YouTube and searched it. Nothing. Nothing for a GX that regards this brand. It's almost at nighttime, so this is like a setup that I'm gonna have for you. Hope you can see everything I'm doing. Now, I don't have to remind you that this is a pain in the ass job. So, putting this panel up, can you see? Was a trial and error because there is no instructions whatsoever. So, I would put these brackets too deep or too shallow. These screws I will slide too much to the left, too much to the right. You really gotta put it correctly, well, not correctly, precise, so you can see how the molle covers exactly edges of the window. That's how you minimize the gap. The gap is like maybe 2 fingers. Some other molle panels would go pretty much straight down and the gap would be like huge. Even my beloved 4x4 Victory, they have a really good fitting one for 470, and the 460 looked so silly. So I decided to go with Ragu. But anyway. Okay, almost. Next thing would be open this little window, wings, and this looks like 10. We're gonna take that off. These gonna go on the top, and you can reuse your handle. Front side is gonna be a bolt and a washer on one side, and the other side is gonna be a washer and a nut. Oh, before you continue to do anything, remember this spacer? Screw it. Let me put you there. He goes here. He is a threaded. So just screw them on. There is no drilling required for 460, you do have to do a little bit of a drilling on a 470. You gotta take the panel off, and because the 470 is gonna come with two of these, and I guess at least in a Ragu product, you have to drill two little holes to insert the extended thread. Just do the hand tight on these. My hands are sweaty and slippery, so I'm gonna use this crap, which didn't work at all. I think he's gonna be fine. Now you're gonna have the little screw here. Remove them. Be careful, has a little washer. I'm putting this panel in behind. It's kind of easy. And what I'm trying to do, get as closest to the window so that gap is smaller and smaller and smaller. There is a little tricks that you guys can do. Now comes the crappy part. Put your bolt and the washer, and then on behind, hand tight them as much as you can. It's kind of hard to do that too, because you know there's that piece of rubber on the end that makes it like a thread lock kind of thing. So let's pop another one in to even up the balance. Now comes the fun part. You gotta lift this up. See how this gets sucked in? Tomorrow I'm just gonna be finishing the video in the daytime so you guys can see better, but these molle panels all installed and dandy. Oh, flashlight. Let me improvise something for you. These things I do for you guys, that's just amazing. I'm such a nice guy. See you now. There you go, guys. That's a molle panel installation on a GX. Hope you like it. Alright guys, it's the next day. As I promised, I'm showing you the panels during the daytime because I don't know how much you were able to see last night. So that's the right side, this is the left side. I really dig them. I like how they sit, how they fill that gap. They are exactly shape of the window, and the gap between the vehicle and the car itself is super tiny, so I kind of like that. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Don't forget to share, please subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. Next video is coming mid-November, because you guys know I mentioned earlier I'm in the process of moving. So till then, be safe out there, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.